Welcome to StudioBinder. In this video, we're going to show you how to add custom element categories. Elements are the pieces that make up your production puzzle. They are the physical items and people you need to complete your story. StudioBinder provides a huge list of industry-standard categories for you to tag and organize by, but you may want to create your own category for better organization. For example, if you're working on a genre-specific project like a Western, you may want to create a new category for pistols or horses. Or, if you're working on a space opera, create a new category for prosthetics. Adding a new category is easy. Just visit your Elements page and click here. Name your category and then select a unique color for your tags. Once you've created this category, it will show up as the last category on your list. If you ever need to edit a custom category, click Edit Category. After this, anytime you tag an element in your project, you'll see the new category, which will also be reflected on your report. Thanks for watching.